If you're in the market for a drone to take your photography and videography to the next level, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the best 5 drones for photography and videography, to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. We select all products depending on quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Number 5, DJI FPV Combo. The DJI FPV Combo is a powerful and immersive flight experience that is perfect for experienced pilots. With the DJI FPV Goggles V2 and DJI FPV Super Wide 150° FOV, you'll have a realistic, smooth flight experience that is sure to leave your opponents breathless. 4K/60 FPS video can be captured at up to 120 megabits per second, giving you crisp details that make the footage look as exhilarating as the flight. The advanced safety features of this drone include an auxiliary bottom light that makes it easy to see in dark environments and an advanced obstacle avoidance system that will keep you safe while flying. With the DJI FPV Combo, you'll have an immersive flight experience that's as smooth and real-time as the DJI FPV goggles. The 4K/60 FPS video and 150° FOV make for a perfect view of your flight, while the brand new S mode makes it easy to get the look of FPV footage in a more dynamic way. Number 4, Autel Robotics Evo 2 8K Drone Camera. The Autel Robotics Evo 2 8K drone camera is the perfect tool for surveying property lines, inspecting electrical cell towers, or capturing all the data needed for rapid deployment missions. With a lightweight and foldable design, it's easy to deploy and small enough to fit in a pocket or bag. The Evo 2 is perfect for rapid deploying missions with a minimal footprint both in the air and for seamless transport. With the powerful 8K camera and durable 40 minutes of stable flight time, the Autel Robotics Evo 2 is perfect for capturing all the data needed for efficient surveillance. Whether inspecting electrical cell towers or surveying property lines, the Evo 2 is designed to provide enough flight time to capture all the data needed. With its lightweight design and patent-registered lockable propellers, the Autel Robotics Evo 2 is easy to deploy and provides a smooth, reliable ride. Number 3, DJI Mavic Air 2. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone is the perfect way to capture stunning photos and videos. With a powerful camera and intelligent shooting modes, it takes power and portability to the next level. The 3-axis gimbal provides 4K/60 FPS video with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, while the high-performance quad Bayer image sensor captures 48 MP photos with a resolution of up to 100 megapixels. OcuSync 2.0 delivers a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 miles, 10 kilometers, making it perfect for live streaming your adventures. Take your photography to the next level with the DJI Mavic Air 2 camera drone. With a powerful camera and intelligent shooting modes, it's easy to capture stunning 48 MP photos and videos with ease. Number 2, Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone. The Holystone HS440 is a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera drone that comes with a powerful modular battery, providing you with a lifespan of up to 40 minutes. This drone can also be controlled with your remote control or the free mobile app, making it easy to capture every moment from a bird's-eye perspective. Whether you're shooting at a deserted beach or capturing the details of a fun family reunion, HS440 can handle it all. With a maximum flight time of 20 minutes and a 40-min flight time, this drone is perfect for capturing amazing aerial scenery. With a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera, the Holystone HS440 foldable FPV drone is perfect for aerial scenery filming. Number 1, Force 1 U49WF FPV Drone with Camera. Experience first-person view with this VR-compatible drone with a camera. Easily sync a VR headset, not included, to the drone remote control and see what your VR drone sees in the sky. This easy-to-use drone is perfect for beginners, and its beginner-friendly features make it easy to fly. With one key launch/land and altitude hold to hover at a set height, 6-axis gyro for stable flights, headless mode for no-fuss drone orientation, and one button 360° flips and stunts, you can have fun with your phone while flying this remote control drone. The headless mode makes it easy to orient your drone without having to worry about removing the headset, and you can even flip and stunts with this drone with just one button. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links in the description. If you have any questions about these 5 products, you can comment below. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.